Hi Wealthwise viewers. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at the benefits and risks of real estate investment. Real estate can be a valuable addition to your investment portfolio, but it's important to understand the potential risks and benefits before making a decision. The benefits of real estate investment. Real estate investment can offer several benefits, including steady income from rental properties, potential appreciation of property values, and tax benefits. Additionally, investing in real estate can provide a hedge against inflation, helping to protect your wealth over time. The risks of real estate investment. While real estate investment can offer many benefits, it also comes with significant risks. Market conditions can impact property values, and changes in the economy or government policies can also affect the real estate market. Additionally, the cost of maintaining and repairing rental properties can be significant, and vacancies can impact rental income. Types of real estate investment. There are several types of real estate investment, including rental properties, REITs, and real estate crowdfunding. Each type of investment has its own set of benefits and risks, and it's important to understand these differences before making a decision. Due diligence. Before investing in real estate, it's important to conduct due diligence to understand the market conditions, property values, and potential risks. This includes researching the local market, understanding zoning laws and regulations, and obtaining professional assessments of the property. Diversifying your real estate investment portfolio. Diversifying your real estate investment portfolio can help reduce risk and increase potential returns. This can be achieved by investing in different types of properties, in different locations, and with different property management strategies. In conclusion, real estate investment can offer many benefits, but it's important to understand the potential risks and benefits before making a decision. Conducting due diligence and diversifying your portfolio can help reduce risk and maximize returns. So, stay informed, make informed decisions, and take advantage of the benefits of real estate investment. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more wealth building tips from Wealthwise.